Massive wagwan. So in this video I am gonna cook curry stew chicken back. This is our local Jamaican chicken back. It is called uncut and it has been around for about 5-6 years from Best Dressed Chicken. It's the only chicken back that I use. So I'm gonna clean it up by removing the skin, the body, and any other naka naka that needs to be removed. Then I'm gonna wash in vinegar and water, drain and pat dry. So now I am seasoning the chicken back with a variety of spices such as Badia complete seasoning, a little bit of Lawry's seasoned salt, black pepper, Maggi, just the whole shebang. You don't know if you do not want to put spices on yours. If you will be following this recipe, don't put spices. So I am adding a little bit of curry, about 2 tablespoons, and a little bit of food browning as well because it is curry stew chicken back. I am also adding onion, add pepper, garlic, scallion, and I am gonna grate a piece of ginger as well. You don't know because curry and myself, we are not really the best of friends. Yes, so me have to put ginger for my curry. You understand? So now I am rubbing everything onto the chicken back to give it a nice flavor. You understand? So I'm gonna cover it for a bit and let it marinate before cooking it. So now I put a pot on low heat, added about 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, add the curry to the oil, gonna burn the curry for just a few seconds. It is very important not to burn the curry until it turns black, right? Burning the curry is very important to me because if the curry not burn, I may eat it, yeah, vomit and diarrhea and hospital in that order. Okay, I don't eat curry from anyone. I don't, if I go to a restaurant and so forth, I don't eat curry because some people have burn them curry, right? All right, so I added the chicken back and now I am stirring it, and this step is very important to me because this is where the chicken back will get the flavor and you don't know the gravy and all of them nice something there. However, because chicken back are mostly bones, so it will not generate enough water like chicken, so I cannot like cook it um for long without turning it. I have to keep turning it. So I am gonna add some water now because obviously it's not gonna generate water like the chicken because the chicken have flesh, so it will generate its own water. Okay, so the chicken back has been cooking and now the the liquid reduces to gravy and I am adding butter bean. There's some butter bean right there. Yeah, I am not adding ketchup because curry is on the chicken back and I don't put ketchup on curry. I don't put tomato on curry. It drift the taste and make the curry sour. But that is just me. If you will be following this recipe, you want to put ketchup on yours, you put ketchup on yours. So yeah, the chicken back finished and I am gonna pair it with some cooked dumpling and cassava, cooked cassava. Yeah, that is the sweet cooked cassava.